লেটস স্টার্ট। আগে শানি প্রেজেন্টেশনটা দেও, এরপরে মাহি রেডি থেকো, এরপরে রেজওয়ান। ওকে, আগে পরিচয় দেয়, এরপরে প্রেজেন্টেশন।
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Mahir Labib Shan. I read in class 8. I'm a student of GLIP Spoken English. Now I'm going to describe why English language is important of our life. We know that English is an international language. According to the United Nations, there are 195 countries in the world. Among these countries, 57 sovereign states and 28 sovereign entities where official language is English. 15% people in the world speak in English. If you want to be a good student or good teacher, uh, you have to know English. If you want to be a pilot, you have to know English, and if you want to be a journalist, you have to know English. If you want to go abroad or get a scholarship, you have to know English. If you want to get a better job or get a promotion, you have to know English. If you are a banker, you have to communicate each other in English. If you are a doctor, you have to write prescription in English. So that's why English language is important for our life.
থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান ফর ওয়াচিং মাই থ্যাংক
Thank
ইউ
you everyone
এভরিওয়ান
for
ফর
watching my
ওয়াচিং মাই প্রেজেন্টেশন। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিওয়ান বলো।
Thank you everyone for watching my presentation.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Your presentation is so nice. Your presentation